Welcome to the Pearl of the Andaman Sea. Today we begin part 1 of our ultimate walking tour through the vibrant heart and stunning shores of Phuket, Thailand. We start our journey in Phuket Old Town, a place where history breathes through every colorful facade and ornate balcony. The Lang Road is the cultural heart here, showcasing a unique blend of Chinese and Portuguese influences from the 19th century tin mining boom. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Just around the corner is Soi Romani, perhaps the most photogenic street in town, filled with vibrant pinks and yellows. To understand the island's roots, the Thai Hua Museum offers a deep dive into the Chinese heritage that shaped this community. Steps away, the 1903 Chinpracha House reveals the opulent lifestyle of the Peranakan families who once ruled the tin trade. Spiritual life is vibrant at Jui Tui Shrine, a Taoist temple central to the famous Phuket Vegetarian Festival. Modern Phuket shines through its street art, where contemporary murals tell stories of local life and traditions on every corner. If you're here on a Sunday, the Lard Yai Market transforms the Lang Road into a feast for the senses with food, crafts, and music. But Phuket's charm isn't just in its streets. Let's head toward the sparkling coast to feel the ocean breeze. We arrive at Patong Beach, the island's most famous stretch, known for its high energy and endless activities. Further south, Karen Beach offers a wider, more relaxed shore, where the sand is so fine it famously squeaks under your feet. Kata Beach follows, a perfect balance of surfing thrills and laid-back tropical vibes. For those seeking tranquility, Kamala Beach provides a peaceful escape with its gentle waves and quiet atmosphere. And for the adventurers, the hidden gem of Freedom Beach offers a slice of untouched paradise away from the crowds. No tour of the South is complete without the sunset at Promthep Cape, one of the most iconic vistas in all of Thailand. Standing tall on Knackered Hill, the Big Buddha offers a panoramic 360-degree view of the island we've just explored. Nearby, Wat Chalong stands as a beacon of faith and beauty, a must-see for its intricate design and spiritual significance. Before we end part 1, we have to savor the flavors. From street food to fine dining, Phuket is a culinary wonderland. This is just the beginning. In part 2, we'll leave the main island to explore the hidden lagoons and limestone cliffs offshore. Thank you for joining us for part 1. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. See you in part 2.